Hi, it's Jason from Fine & Country, and check this out. Full 180-degree panoramic views showing Croyd, Lundy Island, Westward Ho, and out to Hartland Point. So Watersmeet in Churchill Way in Appledore is a 5-bedroom, upside-down, detached house offering these beautiful views, but it has a lot more. So let's take a look around. Built in the 1960s, this property is stuck in a bit of a time warp, as you can see, but the room proportionments are really impressive. I'm in one of the reception rooms, the sitting room here, and this measures over 20 foot by 16 foot wide. It also has 2 sets of sliding patio doors that lead over out onto a 40-foot roof terrace. Unfortunately, all the water has drained away from the swimming pool, which I'm standing in right now, but it could quite easily be reinstated. But this garden is a real sun trap, featuring entertaining areas, seating areas, the swimming pool, and a lovely lawn as well. So if you are looking for a really exclusive home with amazing views in a really sought after location, then give Fine & Country a call today on 01237 426 018. Thank you.